Hello dear students, welcome to Pragati Little Genius Preschool YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn something very interesting and useful in English grammar, that is preposition. Prepositions are an important part of speech that help us understand how words are connected in a sentence. In this video, we will learn what are prepositions, types of prepositions, easy tricks to remember them, and a fun practice activity at the end. So let's begin our grammar adventure. Prepositions are tiny words with a big job. They help us connect nouns or pronouns to other words in a sentence. In simple words, we can say prepositions show the relationship between words in a sentence. प्रीपोजिशंस वे शब्द होते हैं जो किसी संज्ञा जिसे हम नाउन कहते हैं या सर्वनाम जिसे हम प्रोनाउन कहते हैं इनका संबंध दूसरे शब्दों से बताते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ प्रीपोजिशंस आर इन, एट, ऑन, ऑफ, टू, बाय, फॉर, विद, अबाउट, एक्सेट्रा. Now we will explore the main types of prepositions with meaning and their examples. So our first type is prepositions of place. These prepositions tell us where something is located in relation to another thing. ये बताते हैं कोई वस्तु कहाँ स्थित है किसी दूसरी वस्तु के comparison में. Common words we use in prepositions of place are in, at, on, above, below, behind, beside, between, near, around, inside, outside, throughout. Examples are the book is in the box. It shows inside the container. Next example is the meeting is at 2 p.m. It shows a specific time. Next example is the cat is sleeping on the rug. It shows on top of a surface. Next type of preposition is prepositions of time. These prepositions tell us when something happens or how long it lasts. ये बताते हैं कोई क्रिया कब होती है. क्रिया मीन्स कोई काम, कोई वर्क कब होती है या कितनी देर तक होती है. Common words we use in prepositions of time are in, at, on, before, after, during, since, until, for, by, past. Examples of prepositions of time are she arrived in the morning. It shows during a period. We will meet at the cafe. It shows a specific location or a time. Third example is the movie starts on Friday. It shows a specific day. Fourth example is I have not seen him since yesterday. It shows starting from a point. Let's move to the third type of preposition, which is prepositions of direction or movement. These prepositions show where something is moving or going. ये बताते हैं कोई वस्तु किस दिशा में जा रही है या मूव कर रही है. Common words to, from, towards, into, out of, across, through, along, around. Examples of prepositions of direction are she walked to the park. This sentence shows towards a destination. Second example is the birds flew from the tree. It shows origin. The third example is the rain passed across the street. This example shows movement across something. So here are some other common prepositions which express a variety of relationships between words. ये अलग अलग संबंध बताते हैं जैसे reason, purpose, agent, subject matter. Common words which express these prepositions are about, with, without, by, for, of, despite, because of, in different conditions. First example is I am happy for you. It shows feeling. Next example is the car is driven by a computer, which shows agent performing action. The third example is the book is about history, which shows subject matter. So here are some tips and tricks for learning prepositions. First, use of thesaurus. explore synonyms and learn new prepositions. Second, consult a grammar guide. You can ask your teacher whenever you are in doubt. Third, read extensively. Notice how good writers use prepositions in different sentences or paragraphs. And last, do practice of writing sentences. Use different prepositions every day. Remember, practice makes grammar perfect. Now it's practice time. We will show you a short practice video where our students will use prepositions in real sentences. Watch carefully and try to speak along with them.
Students, today we are going to learn some prepositions. What are we going to learn? Prepositions. So are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you are going to learn with a ball. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
On. Under. In front of. Behind. Near. Far. Above. Below. In. So, today you have learned prepositions. What you have learned?
Prepositions.
Let's recall them once again. On,
On.
under,
Under.
in front of,
In front of.
behind,
Behind.
near,
Near.
far,
Far.
above,
Above.
below,
Below.
in.
In.
Good job, learners. Today you have learned what are prepositions, different types of prepositions, and how to use them in sentences. Keep practicing every day because small words can make a big difference. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pragati Little Genius Play School for more fun grammar lessons. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, grammar is the foundation of great communication.